all. Today my lecture is how to use vernier caliper and measure the parameters. So this is a vernier caliper. Let me see the parts of vernier caliper. It consists of two scale. So one thing is the main scale. The main scale having a 300 mm, and we have a vernier scale. It have 0 to 10 notation was given. One is going to be considered as 5 divisions. Totally 10 divisions was given here. Totally we want to convert as 50 divisions. 0 to 1 means 5 divisions. 2 means 10 divisions. Up to 10 was given in this vernier caliper. So totally 50 divisions was given in this vernier scale, and it consists of a main body of the frame, and this is a locking screw, and this is a thumb grip, and finally we have an adjustments of this vernier caliper. And here there will be a fixed internal jaw, and this is a movable internal jaw, and it consists of, we have a fixed external jaw, and this is a fixed movable external jaw. Okay, that's all. Let me see the tabulation of vernier caliper reading. First we have the serial number parts, and this is a main scale reading. It will be taken by direct, it should be in mm, and we have a vernier scale coincidence. So we want to find out the vernier scale reading. Previously we want to find out the coincidence of vernier. After finding that vernier scale coincidence, we want to multiply with the least count. The least count of vernier is 0.02 mm. We want to multiply with coincidence, and we will be getting a vernier scale reading. Finally we want to add the total reading. Total reading is equal to main scale reading plus vernier scale reading. We get an answer. So I want to show some components how to measure the vernier caliper reading. So this is a sample components. So I want to measure the vernier caliper. So we want to remove that adjustment screw. Okay. After that we want to make a lock. So now you can see how to find out that reading in main scale. So there will be a 0 divisions was given in this vernier scale. Parallelly we want to see the main scale reading, how much mm is there. This is 0, this is 10 mm, this is 20 mm, this is 30 mm. We have a 30 mm, we have a 30 and 40, 50, up to 300 was given. You can see here simultaneously 0 is there. We want to find out the main scale reading, that is a 25 mm. Okay. So want to write it here. First serial number. (25 mm). And next, how to find the vernier scale coincidence. Okay. The same thing we want to without any adjustments, I want to find out the coincidence of vernier. You can check. Up to 0 to 50 divisions, any one of the divisions is going to be coincide with the main scale. You want to check from 0, division 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see here there will be 3 was given in this divisions. So totally 1 is considered as 5 division, 2 is 10 division, and 3 is 15 divisions. 15 divisions is going to be coincide with main scale. So here the vernier scale coincidence is 15. Okay, and after that you want to multiply with the least count. So therefore 15 into least count is 0.02. So you want to multiply with your calci 15 into 0.02. So the total answer is 0.3. So after finding, you want to add these two. The total reading we are saying as TR. So therefore total reading is equal to main scale reading plus vernier scale reading. So therefore the value for the total reading is equal to 25 plus 0.3 mm. Therefore total reading is equal to 25.3 mm. This is the final value of vernier caliper.